Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change password on NYT Games. To change your password on NYT Games account, open up your NYT application first and make sure to log into your account by entering your correct credentials. From the main homepage of NYT Games, click on the human icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you can simply tap on Manage your account. Now it'll take you to your Accounts tab on nyttimes.com website. Simply go ahead and click on the Update button right next to Password and enter your current password in the first text box. After entering your current login password, go to the next field where it says New Password and enter the new password you are trying to change to or update to for your account. Finally, click on Save and you will be able to change your NYT Games account's password. Next time you log into your account, you'll now need to enter the newly updated password when prompted. That's how you change your password for NYT Games. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.